Good morning. Are you Latrick Williams? Speak up. And Mr. Williams, it looks like you've got 3 cases, 2 motion to revoke probations, 1 for evading arrest or detention with a vehicle, 1 for theft of a firearm, and then there's a new case that's been indicted for tampering or fabricating physical evidence. And it's my understanding that Ms. Holmes has let me know that your family is going to try to hire an attorney. Is that correct? So are you asking me to reset your case to give your family some time to do that? Okay, so I will do that. Mr. Williams, I'm sure you have heard, surely, out there by now, that I get copies of these jail incident reports and how you're acting and what you're doing. You think your family knows this when they're going to try to put up some money to go hire you an attorney? Do you think they know how you've been acting out in our jail?
Here's where it gets brutal. The judge isn't just talking about courtroom behavior. She's exposing what Williams has allegedly been doing inside jail. And let's be real. Once the judge lays it out, there's no hiding behind family or lawyers.
Do you? Do you think they know you've been masturbating in front of the correctional officers out at our jail? Do you think that they know that you're telling them to do their job and you're not going to follow their rules? That you're dashing other inmates with your urine, water, and possibly other items?
This is no longer about minor slip-ups. Assaulting inmates, throwing bodily fluids. That's not just breaking jailhouse rules. That's potentially stacking up new criminal charges. Ever wonder why some judges lose patience? This right here is Exhibit A.
Guess other items would probably be something more disgusting than what I've already said, that you're walked up and punched someone in the face so hard that they had to go to EMS, had to come get them. You think they know all that? Should I keep going? Because on those motion to revoke your probations, I don't have to accept any agreement that this lawyer or any lawyer talks to that district attorney about. I don't have to accept an agreement. If I find that you violated your probation, I can sentence you anywhere.
And here's the kicker. Probation is like a deal with the court. You break it, the judge decides your fate, not the prosecutor, not your lawyer. That's why every misstep inside or outside jail can add years to your sentence. Harsh, maybe, but that's the gamble with probation.
We're in the range of punishment. That's what happens when you sign up for probation. If you violate, it's up to me. Sometimes I take deals, sometimes I don't. If you're acting like this, it's very unlikely that you're going to come in and some attorney is going to say, come on, let's give him one more chance. He's a good kid. He's got family. That's great that you've got family, but they don't know how you're acting. And obviously, you're not staying home and doing what you're supposed to while you're on probation. They can only do so much to help you, but you got to grow up and help yourself. If you go to trial on that new case and you're found guilty, a jury will hear all of this. So what's happening out there doesn't stay out there. Everybody finds out about it, and all it does is hurt you. Do you understand? So my suggestion is, the next time you're in court, I don't have a packet this thick of things that you've been doing out at the jail. Because your other attorney, whether it's her or they hire somebody, they're going to have to deal with this. And you can ask anybody. This kind of stuff is not going over well anymore in here. Those people are just trying to go do their jobs every day. They're going to work, going home. They've got families. They don't deserve this. Y'all acting like a bunch of heathens out in the jail? I mean, it's ridiculous, okay?
And just like that, the lecture slams shut. The message? Grow up, straighten out, or face the consequences. The courtroom isn't just about laws. It's about reputation. And in this case, Williams just burned through most of his goodwill.
All right, go back with the bailiff. I'll reset the case.